I know you've wondered why your hair looks unhealthy or why it's thinning. Fixing this is actually in your hands. Hey everyone! Ever wondered how to get that perfect hair day every day? You're in the right place. Welcome back to Flex Finesse, your go-to channel for men's personal development. Today we're diving into the best hair care techniques specifically for men. If you want strong, healthy hair that turns heads, stick around. These tips are game changers. 1. Start with the right shampoo and conditioner. First things first, it's crucial to choose the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. Whether you have dry, oily, or normal hair, there's a product out there for you. According to dermatologists, using a sulfate-free shampoo can help maintain your hair's natural oils and prevent dryness. Don't skip the conditioner. It's essential for keeping your hair moisturized and manageable. Remember, healthy hair starts in the shower. 2. Scalp care is key. Your scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Regularly exfoliating your scalp helps remove dead skin cells and unclog hair follicles. Use a gentle scalp scrub once a week to keep your scalp healthy and promote hair growth. A study from the International Journal of Trichology suggests that a healthy scalp can significantly improve hair density and thickness. So, treat your scalp with as much care as you do your hair. 3. Heat protection is essential. If you use heat styling tools like blow dryers or straighteners, always use a heat protectant spray. Heat can damage your hair, making it dry and brittle. A good heat protectant creates a barrier between your hair and the high temperatures, reducing damage and keeping your hair healthy. According to hair care experts, using a heat protectant can reduce breakage by up to 50%. Protect your hair. Protect your look. 4. Regular trims are a must. It might seem counterintuitive, but regular trims can actually help your hair grow faster and look healthier. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks prevents split ends and breakage. Even if you're growing your hair out, a small trim will keep it looking fresh and prevent any damage from traveling up the hair shaft. Trust me, a little snip goes a long way. 5. Hydrate from the inside out. Healthy hair starts from within. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can do wonders for your hair. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts promote hair growth and shine. Vitamins like biotin and vitamin E are also crucial for maintaining healthy hair. A study published in the Dermatology Practical and Conceptual Journal found that proper nutrition significantly impacts hair health. So, fuel your body to fuel your hair. 6. Minimize stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your hair. High stress levels can lead to hair thinning and even hair loss. Incorporate stress-relieving practices into your daily routine, like exercise, meditation, or simply taking time for hobbies you enjoy. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, managing stress can help improve hair health and prevent hair loss. Remember, a calm mind leads to healthy hair. That's it for today, guys. Incorporate these 6 techniques into your hair care routine and watch your hair transform. Healthy, strong hair isn't just about genetics, it's about the care and attention you give it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Flex Finesse, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to become the best version of yourself. Let's keep growing and glowing together.